Hi everyone, my name is Lydia and this is what I wish they taught me about econometrics and introduction. This is going to be a very short video about the linear log model and a small interpretation that you might be required to know, especially for exam purposes. So keep that in mind. It's not as long and it doesn't give all the intuition as we did in the previous video where we took our time to go over this idea. How can we make this assumption that the same response in 1% change regardless of the starting point of x, because the formula that we found included the x in the actual proof. It's still going to be the same in this little proof that we're going to show here, but it's just so that you keep that in mind. So again, if the model is y beta 0 plus beta 1 ln of x, then any changes in y that we would have is going to be beta 1 times the changes in ln of x, which means knowing that we can write the log of x in terms of percentages, we can make a slightly manipulation into this expression. So if I multiply and divide by 100, I am not going to change the actual value. So in here, I'm going to do beta 1 divided by 100 times 100, and then changes in ln of x. So I'm going to group these together, and I'm going to group this together. Keep in mind, I haven't changed the actual value of the expression. I've just multiplied and divided by 100 in order to do that. So the last manipulation that I'm going to do is, while keeping the beta 1 over 100 the same, I will now substitute the changes in ln of x based on the nice formulas that we know. So the approximation, so this is 100 times the change in x over x. And the entire thing in here, it's literally the percentage change in x, while we have beta 1 over 100 in here. So this is a more compact and direct proof. It also shows that intuition that we just meant. So a 1% change in x, because this is what we have here, leads to beta 1 over 100 units change in y. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.